this is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. For those of you new, I do a lot of makeup, skincare, lifestyle and some tech reviews as well. Today's video is about a makeup tutorial about this look that I have created with MISSHA and some other products. Before we get to the tutorial, what you gotta do, you gotta subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you are updated on all my videos. Now without further ado, let's get started. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial as much as I loved creating it. Do give it a big thumbs up and also comment on it, share it with your friends and family. I would love that. And of course, if you haven't subscribed till now, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button so that you are aware when I upload a video. Till next time, goodbye, bye bye, see ya.